Hello students, welcome to the installation process of Node.js. As per your system requirement, download the version of your Node.js. Now it is being already downloaded. Once it is ready for the installation, you will double click the same. This installation may require some administrator right. So if at all you have logged in with a guest user, this time it may ask you some login credentials. Now our software Node.js has been successfully installed. So just click on finish. In order to check whether my Node.js is already installed or in order to check the version of the same, open the command prompt and simply type the command node space -v and press enter. You will get the version of our Node.js which is being installed. You can check which we have downloaded. And similarly, you can also check your npm version. So npm space -v, and then you will get the npm version. So if you check, we are getting we have this node installed with this version and we have this npm installed with this version. What is this npm exactly? So npm stands for your node package manager. So we'll discuss in detail why these two separate versions are there. Now let's move further with the Angular installation. So as we discussed already, Angular installation requires the node installation on your system. So how we are going to install? As we have this npm installed already, your Angular will be installed with the command npm, again node package manager install space -g space @angular /CLI, and then simply press enter. Your installation process will automatically get started. This process may take several minutes, so you have to wait till the time for the next instruction. So we can see our Angular is being installed successfully. Now again, whenever you want to create your own application in Angular, of course you have to create your own folder. So I will be creating my own folder within my D drive. You have to create your own folder. So mkdir, I'm making Angular app as my folder. So it is being created. So I will be moving to that folder, and here you have to create your own new Angular project. So how you are going to do that? You are having a command, ng stands for Angular. I want to create my new app. So ng space new my app, and simply press enter. It will have some processing. It will create your own project folder within the mentioned directory. So would you like to add Angular routing? So you will say yes, and once you will say yes, it will ask you for the which type of style sheet do you want to use. Do you want to use SAS, SCSS, LESS or CSS? You can move through the up or down arrow. Right now we'll be choosing only the CSS and simply press enter, and let's see how your folder and how your internal files are being created automatically. Yes, so our app is ready to build. So let's check whether my folder is being created or not. You can go to the given directory. See, the Angular app folder is being created, and within that Angular app, you are having my app, and just check the directory structure within that my app. You are having these many files automatically created. So we'll discuss that directory structure in detail whenever we'll move with the Angular. Now just observe how to check whether my app is successfully created or not. So you will be navigating to your app. So cd my app, and how to execute your application. So the command is ng serve. So your application is being compiled successfully. All the desired folders have been compiled here. And now it will ask you to type this URL into your browser. So simply copy the same localhost :4200. So go to the browser and you can type So go to the browser and you can simply press the URL and check. So this is what the index page or landing page of your Angular basic application. This means your application or your app is being successfully installed and created with the desired folder structure. So that's all for the installation process. Try it on your machines. Thank you.